Indian polity and constitution. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. How many schedules are there in Constitution of India? 12 schedules. Article 44 is related to Uniform Civil Code for citizens. How many articles were there originally in Constitution of India? 395. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It is protected by the Supreme Court. When Right to Information Act came into force in India, 12 October 2005. What is the minimum age required to be the President of India? 35 years. President can make proclamation of emergency under Article 352. How many articles in Constitution of India now? 448. Who appoints the judge of Supreme Court? President. A bill which contains only provisions dealing with the imposition, repeal, remission, alternation or regulation of taxes is called money bill. Which article is described as the heart and soul of the Constituent? Article 32. Part 4A of Constitution is related to fundamental duties. What can be maximum gap between two sessions of Parliament in India? 6 months. The Constitution of India came into effect from 26 January 1950. How many types of emergency are there in Constitution of India? 3. The amendment of Constitution can be initiated in which of the following? Any House of the Parliament. Which Indian artist decorated the handwriting copy of the Constitution? Nandalal Bose. What was the total number of members in the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? 7. Which of the following fundamental rights can be deleted by 44 Amendment Bill? Right to property. Which among the following article of Constitution of India enters the President of India grant pardons? Article 72. In which of the following states electronic voting machine EVMs were used for the first time in India? Kerala. If a member absents himself from Parliament for 60 days without any permission of the House, his or her seat may be declared vacant. Which of the following is the largest Lok Sabha constituent area-wise? Ladakh. Which among the following is the ex officio chairman of the Council of States Vice President? The Constituent 108th Amendment Bill is related to which one of the following? Providing 1/3 reservation for women in Parliament and State Legislative Assembly. Which among the following term refers to press? Fourth state. To deal with the common problems of Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, a North-Eastern Council was set up in which year? 1971.